Hi there, thanks for tuning in. Blaine McDonald here again. I'm a financial advisor and I run into clients all the time that need help and explanations, and I thought that it would be good to educate Canadians, and that's why I started this channel. So glad you tuned in today. If you like this video, do hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell button, it'll notify you of future videos, and ideally share this with someone you know in your life that can really use this information. In the previous videos, I was talking about insurance, life insurance and non-life insurance. And in this video, I want to talk about something entirely different. You see, the irony when it comes to life insurance is that the benefit from it is only realized once you're dead. You're paying for something you hope you never use. It really actually should be called death insurance, not life insurance, but that might be a hard idea for people to get their head around. Want to get some death insurance? Today I want to talk about something different and a little more upbeat. Living benefits. What the heck do I mean? Well, a living benefit is coverage to protect you, and you don't even have to die to use it. For example, if you were terminally ill, an accelerated death benefit rider may pay out a portion of your death benefit while you're still alive. Living benefits. Much of financial planning is about the idea that if a person dies too soon or lives too long, what am I talking about? Well, if you live too long, which is statistically speaking, the majority of the chance, because Canadians are living longer and longer and longer. So if we retire at 65 years old, which is the average in Canada, and we live to an average of 80, then that's 15 years where we're living on whatever we've saved and whatever we've put away. What if you live to be 90 or 100 or 110? So we often say that if you died too soon, we protect that with life insurance. But if you live too long, we begin to save now for your retirement. So today I want to talk about this third risk. What if I don't die? But what if I become ill? If I were doing it like a puzzle, it would look something like this. These are the risks that we all have. If I die too soon, if I live too long, or if I become ill. I'm talking ill, like too ill to work. So, here it is that we talk about living benefits. Living benefits are insurance policy that provide financial benefits to the survivor who face issues due to aging, illness, accidents, or dependency. And there's 5 kinds or categories of living benefits. And I want to briefly talk about those in this video. First of all, disability insurance. Disability insurance, sometimes called DI, is an insurance policy that pays out a stream of monthly income in case you get disabled and cannot work. The injury or disability doesn't have to have happened at work, but it must be severe enough from preventing you from working and earning an income. Now, many people have both short-term disability and long-term disability, and many people have coverage through work. But you can buy a personal standalone policy or, as mentioned in a previous video, a rider on your permanent or term life insurance policy. Health and dental coverage. Many people in many provinces in Canada have a variety of different health plans. These health plans cover a variety of things. The idea of a health and dental coverage goes beyond that basic coverage. Similar to disability, health and dental plans are often covered through work benefits, but also may be standalone policy. These policies are designed to meet the unexpected costs of healthcare needs when you need it. There's a growing concern that governments will have significant cutbacks in healthcare, and as a result, the financial burden of prescription drugs, Visits to the dentist, eye exams, paramedical services may increase for Canadians in the future. So an individual health and dental insurance policy can be purchased through insurance companies as well as provincial organizations. Travel insurance. Travel insurance is something that you can buy when you travel outside of Canada in case you get sick or have an accident while you are away. Travel insurance can cover the cost of your medical emergencies. Some travel insurance may include the cost to have you brought back to Canada. Travel insurance may or may not include trip cancellation coverage. Most travel agencies will offer travel insurance coverage for a specific trip. Or if you travel regularly or often, you may look at a standalone coverage so that you're covered no matter where you travel outside of Canada. But for sure, if you're planning a trip, you should do your research or talk to your advisor. Critical illness insurance, or CI. This is new to the scene, historically speaking. CI insurance, or critical illness insurance, is a type of insurance that helps you if you become critically ill. Now, there's many different conditions that might be covered under a critical illness policy, but the most common is heart attacks, strokes, and cancer. Now, some insurers in the Canadian market offer over 30 different illnesses. Obviously, the more illnesses covered, the more expensive the coverage is. Typically, critical illness insurance provides a lump sum payment when a specific condition is diagnosed. The money can then be used for any purpose. Some examples might be to find alternative medical treatments anywhere in the world, hiring a caregiver, paying off debts, covering expenses that are not covered by the government health care, paying for private nursing homes, or providing income support to your family while you're not working. And the last living benefit that I want to talk about is long-term care insurance. Long-term care insurance is another coverage that is rapidly growing in popularity. As I mentioned, Canadians are living longer and longer. It pays a daily or monthly benefit for medical or custodial care received in, say, a nursing home, in a hospital, or even in your own home. If you are unable to carry out common activities of daily living, called ADLs, some examples of these might include bathing or dressing yourself, eating, transferring from the bed to a chair, voluntarily losing control of urinary or fecal discharge, using a toilet, walking, i.e. you're completely bedridden. Few people plan, you see, to ever get injured or to get ill. As mentioned, getting insurance of any kind mitigates that risk. By paying somebody, they share the risk, preparing for unfortunate circumstances in life. Other insurance of a variety of kinds, life insurance, and living benefits. Be sure to include a review of all of these benefits as you review with your financial advisor your own personal financial plan. Speaking of an advisor, this is not intended to be financial advice. And I know that I keep saying that, but it's important that you get that. Your individual tailor-made plan needs to be with an advisor. This is great for education, and it's wonderful that you're learning this. But really, if you need the financial advice of an independent advisor, seek somebody out who's independent and can come up with that solution that's made exactly right for you. Thanks once again for watching the video. If you like it, share it. Talk to your friends about it. I would appreciate you hitting that bell button. That'll notify you when the next video comes out. And as always, love and subscribers. If you could subscribe, that would be wonderful. Thanks again for watching. Take care.